Yo, your boy Tabu again in a YouTube. We're gonna say world. The real Jamaican gangster this, you know. Alright, you know my topic this morning, you know, cause no long talking, you know. I demand them, most of the man them, 90% of the Jamaican man them will act like them bad. You see me? You know them man they act like them bad when I say, yo, no man can touch them. They have the biggest gun, the biggest missile, the biggest everything. The biggest me I tell you, man, and when you hold them, you know, cause you know, then kill us 20, 50 people, you see me? I saw the Jamaican bad man then go on, you know. And when you hold one of them, you know, with a gun, see them, no, I know me, no one to kill me, you see me? So then go on, you know, and when you hold them and can them, you know. I tell you about the Jamaican bad man them, man. Yo, me tell you the Jamaican bad man them, they come like diaper where have a baby. Now baby have a diaper. And they afraid. Yo, man, I tell you, white people don't afraid of them, man. You see me? No most of the Jamaican man, they go out them bad. Them not bad, them shad. Cause them, I mean, them afraid, you know, man. As if we kill 50 people and if the police come and say, yo, you're under arrest, or say, me I go bust one in the head. I fast. You see me? Jamaican bad man. Yeah, but this is a short topic in YouTube. Cause me I get hotter, you know. Me see them last two videos we make now, so they but you know me hope they again. And you see me I go kill them. Cause me a bad man I represent Skymates, crime family, they been the doctor. You know, buzz up on them, you see me? You see me? All of the girls them love you know, you see me? Jamaica straight, that's the word.